invest the $1 in a bank and earn interest. So for example, if you invest 500 today, the interest rate is 10%. How much is there going to be in 2 years? Anyone can do a quick calculation?
Isn't that 500 times 1.1 squared? All right,
quick.
whatever that
Let's
equals.
do it first. If you want to do trading, this is very important.
1.21 times 500?
Yeah.
$605.
Yeah, 605. So in 2 years, the 500 will become 605. So in finance, we think that 500 is equivalent to 605 in 2 years, and that's so like over time the money will grow, will appreciate. Well, not appreciate, but will grow to a bigger amount. And that's the basic idea of time value of money. For another example, how much would you have to invest today to get 100 per year for the next 5 years if the interest rate is 10%? So this is slightly more complicated because there are 5 cash flows in the next 5 years.
I have a question. When you ask that question, are we withdrawing the 100, or do you want $100 in investment appreciation?
So what that question means is, so in year 1 we receive 100 nominal value, and year 2 another 100, and year 3 another 100, all the way till year 5. So we have 5 100, so 500 total.
So we're basically removing the hundreds from the investment that's accruing interest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just asking, how much do you have to invest today?
$1,000. Yeah, 10%.
No, I guess what I'm asking is that,
Do you have
well,
to?
assuming the interest will roll
Compound?
over, compound for 5 years. Well, why don't I just draw a graph?
Not removing the 100.
So if you put a certain amount of money into the bank today, and it's time 0, and then in time 1, you receive $100, and then in time 2, another $100, and 3, $100, 4, $100, 5, $100, and after you receive the final $100, your account will be empty. So how much money would you have to put in today?
So you have to discount the cash flow 5.
Yeah,
years
so
cash flow
that's the
back to
idea.
present value, right?
Yeah.
100 over 1 plus 10% plus 100 plus over 1 plus 10% 5.
So the way you approach it is to imagine that today you put a pile of money, and then a certain portion, for example the X portion, is going to grow into this 100 in 1 year. And then another portion is going to grow into this 100 in 2 years. And then you divide it by 5. So each one is distributed throughout the 5 years. So in order to get the initial X amount of money you put in, you would discount this 100 by 1.1 because this is the interest rate. So this X amount of money with interest rate 10% will go into 100 in 1 year. And then you discount it back, this will be the X amount. So using the same idea, you discount all these 100 with the interest rate of 10 to get and then sum up all these values to get the initial value. So in second year, what portion of this do you have to put in to get 100 in 7 years?
100 over 1.1.
Yes. Are you going to say it? Okay. Yeah.
It's going to be less than 500.
Yeah, it's going to be less than 500 because you have to, that's the whole idea of discounting.
Is there a formula that you can use rather than allocation?
Yes, I'll get to that later. But I just want to lay out a basic idea now. So pretty easy. You can this will be 100 divided by 1.1.
Richard says that last time you could hear us over.
And this initial amount will be the sum of all these values. So that's the basic idea of discounting money.
So the interest rate is different for like year X that you just use that different interest rate.
Yeah. So the interest rate for 2 years of like storing money in the bank is higher. For example, it is 11%. Here you will have to discount this by 1.11. So it just depends on what interest rate you have. And that's the basic idea of time value of money, aka money grows over time because you're always invested in something.
So what is the interest rate again, or the answer?
Oh, do you want me to calculate it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, dude.
I can just use Excel to. You guys want? So do you guys want? I thought like if I lay out the basic idea.
Yeah, I don't think it's necessary to get.
But if you guys want,
Don't mess with us. What does she have her brush up?
So yeah, using Excel you can easily get the initial amount. So typing, you get 100 in year 1 and 100 year 2. Right now I'm not gonna use. There's a formula to calculate this Excel, but in order to show you guys, I'm just gonna use the most basic. So this is year 1, and then all the way to. How I do it is 100 over 1.1 to the power of 1 year, and then do the same thing. For the third year is 100 over 1.1 to the power of 3. And then you sum up all these values. So it will be about 379. So this bill will be less than $500. Like the sum of the $100 directly, because you discount money back using the interest rate. So the sum of all these $100 amounts discounted back will be called the present value of all the cash flows. Because so like this will be called the present value of all of these amounts added up. Because it's like the money you have to put in the present to get the $100 in the future. Valuation is all about cash flows, meaning if you hold an asset is defined by a series of cash flows. The way you make money by holding an asset is not like if you buy a property to make money, you don't just have a property there and you don't just make money by having a property. You make money by receiving the cash flow from investing in the asset. So, for example, you can have an asset and it gives you a cash flow in time 0, time 1, time 2, time 3, and all the way to the far future. The present value of all these, each individual cash flow will be the nominal amount here over 1 plus r to the power of t. So that's exactly the same thing we did just now, right? And then if you want to sum up the total value of the asset, it will just be the sum of all the cash flows discounted to its present value. And if you want to value an asset, that will be the value, the present value. And for now, the discount rates can be thought of as just interest rate, but in the future, for different assets, different projects, it will not be simply just the interest rate. But we'll get to that.